Hello everyone and welcome to today's hair tutorial, which is a hairstyle based on Katniss's braid from the Hunger Games. I recently read all the books, so I was inspired. So take a section of hair from the top of your head and split this section into 3 separate pieces. You're then going to take the outside strands underneath the middle strand, and you're going to add hair to each strand every time. So take some hair, add it to the strand, and take it underneath the middle strand and do the same on the other side. You want to follow the back of your head and keep your hands as close to your head as you can. This helps keep the braid nice and tight. When you've added in all your hair, you can continue to do a 3-stranded braid to the ends of your hair. Tie it off with a hair elastic, and that's it, you're finished. You can of course pull apart the braid if you want it to be a bit more bohemian looking, or you can keep it as it is. Thank you so much for watching, please like and subscribe.